Boeing and Spirit AeroSystems, yeah, they're getting back together. BA and Spirit are both up just under 4%. I like them after the problems that they've had. And luckily, I'm still one of the guys that's comfortable flying on Boeing, Pete, but I'm not real happy that the stock has been just mashed. Luckily, I don't own it yet, but it's making a little bit of a comeback today.
Yeah, and the lingering effects might keep you from owning it for a little while anyway. I think there's going to have to be something, and sometimes it is just time. It's not necessarily a specific catalyst or whatever. Sometimes it's just time. I do think this is a great buy for Boeing right now, John. $4.7 billion for Spirit AeroSystems. It makes a lot of sense. They're trying to work with the supply chain so that they can do things functionally, hopefully with good speed, but also not just efficient in that regard, but also doing it the right way. And that's something I think that Boeing is trying to show all of us. Now, do we believe it? I think a lot of people are still going to be skeptical out there. They're going to be very nervous, I should say, about this whole thing, skeptical about what they've been up to. But hopefully they can piece this thing together, and over time, maybe we get a little bit more comfort with this whole thing. I'm like you, John. I get on these planes. I'm well aware of exactly what the model of planes are when I get onto them. But nonetheless, it's been a very, very difficult multiple years now for Boeing. And this is something that at some point in time, hopefully it's in the rearview mirror, but it has taken a long time for them to shake this off because this is still very, very local news, so to speak. I mean, it's been around now and it continues to be there. At some point, they'll shake that off, I would think.
Yep, at some point.